If you want to get hired as a freelancer, then this is what you're solving for. Number one, you need to become objectively recognized with some community for something that they consider useful. Two, you need members of this community to seek you out for that something. Three, you need to be able to do what they asked you to do while also doing your day job. And four, you need a way for them to pay you. I'm Lawrence. I'm a freelance full-stack developer, and I live a charmed life. It's Monday, I'm in a park, and I'm playing with new camera gear. By the way, clever people, the first of you to decode my t-shirt wins a t-shirt just like it. A new clean one, of course. Okay, let's get into it. You need to become objectively recognized within some community for something that they consider useful. I already said that, I know, but it's important, so take a moment to let it digest. That community, this is your market. Your objective is to serve that market. Know your market and know its dynamics. Is it growing? Is it shrinking? And then ask yourself, is my presence in this market a good thing or a bad thing, or does it even matter? And be brutally honest about your answer. In my case, I serve a niche set of English and Spanish-speaking educational institutions around the world, and they all know me. Why? In my case, they know me because I created my own blog about an open source web platform that they all use. The free blog articles that I publish help the community grow by making it easy for new community members to get up and running with the open source platform that they all use. So that community sees me as a problem solver. And so in their view, my presence in the community is a good thing. If you have lots of knowledge that your community, your market, considers valuable, then giving some of it away for free is a great way to get recognized. It builds your brand in a sincere way that doesn't at all come off like corporate BS. But having said that, every big knowledge-based company like IBM and Accenture gives away knowledge vis-a-vis white papers that they publish to their own websites. Ask yourself, what resources do I have that I can leverage immediately? Help others by sharing your strategy in the comment section below. Yeah, people read those. You need members of this community to seek you out for whatever it is that you're recognized for. Yes, I said that too. It's important, let it sink in. Plus, there's some things we need to unpack here. The thing you're recognized for, does anyone need it? That's demand. Within your market, is demand growing? Is it shrinking? Steady Eddie? Just make sure that you're not organizing deck chairs on the Titanic. Who else can do this thing that you're recognized for? That's competition. Ideally, you want to find a market with lots of potential customers and that has a big problem that you're well suited, better still, uniquely suited to solve, and that no one else is focused on. You want to be able to solve that problem given the resources you have at your disposal right now. You need to be able to do what they asked you to do while also doing your day job. When you're first starting out, it's that much more important than each and every time a new potential customer seeks you out that you're able to say, yes, I can help you with that. And when you do get hired, that's great. But at the same time, if you're working a day job and you need that paycheck in order to make rent and eat food, then you need to be absolutely certain that you can do both and that you can keep these two worlds properly separated, that you're not crossing any legal or ethical boundaries, and that you're not going to die from exhaustion along the way. The point here is that the things that customers seek you out for, initially at least, these need to conform to and be constrained to more qualifying conditions than later on when freelancing actually is your day job. Basically what you're saying, regardless of whether it's explicit or implied, is I'm going to deliver X to you by Y date at Z cost and per these mutually agreed upon terms and conditions. Don't ever lose sight of the fact that once you say yes to a customer and take on the responsibilities of fulfilling your obligations of this agreement, that your reputation in the market in its entirety depends on that customer's opinion of the eventual outcome. And frankly, you're better off remaining completely unknown within your market than becoming known, but as someone who's not reliable. These four fundamentals of mercantile reality exist in all things commercial, from lemonade stands to electric cars. You need a way for customers to pay you. Yep, already said that. But the thing is, you need to be able to get paid the way that your customers want or need to pay you. If they can only pay in US dollars, then you need a way to receive US dollars. And that might be harder to do than you think it is if you live outside of the US and depending on your own situation. If they only do purchase orders, then you need to figure that out. If they require a contract, then you need to be legally capable of executing that contract. If they want to pay with a credit card, then you need to figure that out. More generally, understand your desired role in this market. Are you going to be a sole proprietor? Are you going to grow a business and hire people? Something else? Whatever it is you're planning to do, make sure that your plan is fully baked to the point that you actually have a way to receive the money that your customers want to pay you. If you're new to the channel, then, well, in my case, I'm new as well because the channel's new. But anyway, welcome. I'm glad you're here. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, then please hit the like button below. And also, subscribing to my channel really helps with the YouTube algorithm, so please hit the subscribe button as well. I'll see you in the next video.